Well, folks, it is almost time for an official for sale video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Vevor. They've sent me a couple of gifts here to try out and put to the test, and boys did we ever do that. The first one was this 1/2-inch impact with up to 1,400 pounds of torque. Yeah, 1,400 pounds, and it only weighs for about 4.5 pounds, so it's fairly light. It's got rear discharge, it's got an easy to use reverse and forward selector, and comes with this handy case and impact sockets. Like I said, we've been using the impact wrench in our shop for about a month now, and the guys love it. Lots of torque. And when compared to our Chicago pneumatic, it sounds like a V8. They also sent us this in-vehicle air compressor for your shop truck. It comes complete with everything you see here, all the accessories to get it mounted, as well as a hose to stretch to the end of your vehicle. You can mount this anywhere, operate at 12 volt or up to accessory power, and you'll never have a flat tire to worry about again because you've got an air compressor on board. And we can't wait to get that compressor installed on our shop truck. Guys, there's a link down in the description box below. Make sure you head on over there, check these parts out. They're not real expensive and they are very high quality tools. Thank you, Vevor, for sponsoring this video. Well, I'll be happy to announce that the official for sale video is not, I repeat, it is not on Dale the truck. I do know that in the last video I had you guys up in arms. So many of you guys were posting comments all over the place. Do not sell Dale. You'll regret it. You don't want a Suburban. All these things that you guys posted in that last video really kind of made me put things into perspective as far as where I sit with Dale the truck. Most of you were right. I do love this truck, and I likely would regret selling Dale the truck for a Suburban. Does that mean we're not going to buy a Suburban? No. We may buy a Suburban, but we will be taking a look at Dale the truck to see where can we go next. Even though he's working absolutely 100% perfect, and it did over a 3,149 mile drive to Atlanta, Georgia, right up here in this video. You guys can go back and watch that. Not a flaw. Worked perfectly. We will get to what we're doing with Dale the truck in an upcoming video. But today's video is talking about Grand Marquis and Crown Vics. That's right. We finally got the new 07 Crown Vic looking dapper, the way that we like. And the only thing left to do it right now is to get the stereo installed so we can get some boom tunes. And yes, that means that the end of Grandma is coming near. You see, we bought this car as a replacement for Grandma. Not that there's anything wrong, but it's time to move up to a newer model year, a new color, and a new car. Well, new to us. That means the official for sale video on Grandma will be coming very, very shortly. We'll be doing a full detail on this thing. We'll be touching up some of the surface rust on the fenders. This car is in really good shape. I mean, nowhere's near this 09 with rotten fenders and smashed in front end. And certainly in much better condition than the old police car we currently have for sale in the front line. Why would you want to sell Grandma? The easy answer is, well, I've already got a replacement. And as you can tell, we've got plenty of parts cars. I mean, that's not a parts car, that's Junior's car. But the opportunity came along to buy this one. And with my wife's approval, she said it's time to let go of Grandma in exchange for a newer model. So we do have the stereo stripped out of Grandma, and we're getting ready to install it into the new car. But that is it. Now, everything of my wife's personal possessions is out of this car, into the new one, and that means we've got to get it detailed up. So make sure you guys are tuned in to Olde Carr Guy. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, now is the time to do that. Hit that little red subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. It just allows YouTube to send you a notification when I put out a new video, so you can catch all the great Panther platform content, all the Dale the truck content, and you'll be notified as soon as I start working on the Yugo again. And if you are new to the channel, there is a Chrysler B-body underneath that car cover. You'll have to stay tuned to find out about that. But Panthers and square bodies seem to be where it's at. So follow me on Instagram too, because that's where we post a lot of new upcoming things, like when to expect the new video for Grandma, or when the new car will be getting a Marty tune. Or when old Dale the truck might be getting an engine swap or something like that. I don't know. But definitely being subscribed to this channel is the only way you are going to get notified. Make sure you hit that bell, send you notifications. Back to the new car. We talked about giving it a name of Screech because we found a bottle of Newfoundland Screech in the back seat pocket. I'm not sure that's the name for this car. Maybe you guys can give me a list of names down in the comment section down below. No, we don't want Grandpa. We don't want Grandma too. We want something very unique. Maybe it's just a single name, a human name or something. I don't know. But since you guys last saw this car, we did do a few upgrades. Much similar to Junior's car. We've also tinted the windows all the way around. We've also got the tint coming down the top of the windshield because these things don't have a tint bar. We've got a new color match grille added to the front of this car. And those leather seats have been all detailed up. And besides the stereo system, we've got a lot of scratches that we've got to buff out. Door, roof, hood, door, trunk, and of course the top of the bumper is in pretty rough shape as well. We're still undecided what we want to do about the exhaust. We just put a MagnaFlow exhaust system on Grandma. That was $1,200 for a stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust system, which coincidentally we do like that sound. So that may get transferred over to the new car. Therefore, the original stainless steel single exhaust off of this one goes on Grandma. Or maybe we take the factory dual exhaust off of this police car and put it on Grandma. I hate doing exhausts, so maybe, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. As of tomorrow, my wife will start driving this car full time, and Grandma will be going over to the shop and getting cleaned up and ready for sale. Guys, make sure you stay tuned to Olde Carr Guy for that official for sale video on Grandma. It will be going up for sale. I will disclose the price, everything that we've done to it. You can go back and watch this playlist. It's every single video that we've ever done on that car. There's a lot of them. In fact, between that car and Blackjack, my lifted 2003 Grand Marquis that I just sold last summer, those two vehicles produced the most views on this channel of all time. So every time I put out a Panther platform video, you guys hit it home. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being subscribed. And thank you for following me over on Instagram. Please make sure you leave a comment. Let me know the name on this new car. And stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you. God bless. Let's do it again real soon.